In this video, we will going to learn how to enable dark mode in Excel sheet. Let's start. This is my Excel sheet. Just click on the File tab, click on the More option, click on the Options. You get here the Excel options in general. Here you can find Office theme. Click here. Current theme is a white, and if you want to convert it dark gray, select the dark gray, then click on OK. You can see here themes will be changed. If you want to change again, click on File tab, click on More option, click on Options. Here, click on the theme change, Office theme. Click on the white again and click on OK. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.